It's time to budget for April. Hi, and welcome back. I'm Kamika, and this is Well Balanced Wallet, where I help you create healthy money habits and live a life that you love on your current budget. Today, we're going to budget for April, and I am getting this done a couple days ahead of time, and that's because I have a few moments of time while my baby sleeps. So let's jump right in. Okay, so first things first, we always zero out the next month category. We have $4,780 to work with. So let's get started. For phone bill, I was just informed that all of our bills are going up by $5. So that'll be $10 for me and Care. So it's usually $60. Now it's going to be $70. So we're going to have it there. And I left the $1 here. All right. For internet, we need 126 for our target. So let's do that. And like I mentioned, it's a few days early, so it's still money in some of these categories, but that's okay. For electricity, we assigned $315.79 last month. Let's go ahead and do that again, just because we don't know what the electric bill is going to be at the end of the month, since it's still a few days left. For gas, we're going to need $150. Water, we're going to need, it's been fluctuating lately, so let's do 68 just to be safe. Car insurance will be $138.69. Life insurance, we had to add a baby to our life insurance, so it went up a little bit. It's not $35.13 anymore, it is $44.30. And for car payments, we put $400 there. Our car payment is not $400, but I do like to pay extra, so we just put the $400, and it hasn't come out yet for this month. That's why there's so much money here. And I like to keep an extra month worth just in case, anything happens. We want to be able to pay our car payment. For loans, my loans are still in forbearance, so nothing for me. Care's loans are $147.69. Nobody has a gym membership at this time, so we're gonna leave that blank. And we're not doing like any workout subscriptions right now either. If we do, that's where we'll add them here. Apple Music is $37, and that's just my catch-all for anything that comes out of my Apple account. All right, for mortgage, it is $1379.59. And I'm not adding extra to the mortgage just yet, but we will get back into that soon. Home maintenance and repairs are funded as the month goes along, so nothing there for now. Groceries, $400. Groceries, $100 a week, and there are 4 weeks. Ynab counts it out for you, so we need $400. Restaurants, $150. We did end up spending a lot of money on restaurants in March just because we were without a fridge for 3 weeks. But now that we're like getting back into the groove of having actual food in the house, we shouldn't spend more than $150 on eating out anytime soon. All right, for spending, all right, random number between 25 and 80. Okay, the number is 51. So I'll get $51 and Care will get $51. And as you can see, I don't transfer my spending money out to my personal account, and Care does. So his is always a zero and mine always has money there. That doesn't mean that he doesn't have any spending money. It just means that it's not sitting in our main accounts that we keep in the budget. So he'll transfer his money out, and I may transfer all of that out to my personal account. I don't know yet. I never think about it. So that's why there's money there. Household goods, we need $100. Miscellaneous, we need $200. Entertainment, we need $50. All right, so we're getting down to the sinking funds, and we have $990.94 left. For school, we did buy, I think it was a course in March. I don't remember what it's for, but yeah, we did spend money on a course or something like that. So we need to replenish this, but let me see what the rest of the budget looks like first. Personal care, we need $50. Christmas account, we need $80 because there's 4 weeks in April, and we do $20 a week. So by the end of the year, we have about $1,000. New car, hold off on that for now. Treat yourself. Let's see, we have treat yourself, car maintenance and repairs, medical expenses, and once per year, and reimbursements. Reimbursements is good. We're waiting on a $20 reimbursement, and that'll bring that back up to the $100 that we usually keep there. Once per year, some subscription came out in March, so we need to build this back up to $500. So we'll add 50 here. We have $810.94. Okay, let's go back up to personal care. We need to add more money here, and I'm thinking we go with maybe 200. So I'll do 250. And that's just because the seasons are changing and we have a new baby in the house. We're going to have to buy new clothes because the baby is growing like crazy. And we just need to kind of do a little bit more self-care, personal care here and there. So I'll put $250 there. We'll have $610.94 left. Let's put maybe $100 here for a new car. So I want to add $100 here, and we want to get this back up to $10,000 just because we did get a new vehicle recently, but we still have another vehicle that's pretty old. There's nothing wrong with it, but if something does happen to it, we want to be able to purchase a new vehicle so that we are not disrupted in our new schedule, especially with having a little one at the house. So we'll put $100 there. Treat yourself. We do have a few trips coming up soon, so maybe we'll do $250 here. And then car maintenance and repairs, we don't need anything done right now, but I'll go ahead and still put $50 here to build that up a little bit. Medical expenses, we're paying for the birth of a baby, so okay, let me get the school category back up. So it needs $103.97, and then we'll put the rest of what's left in the medical expenses category because those bills are still coming in slowly, so we have a little bit of time to pay those. 997. Okay, and then we have $106.97 left to go to medical expenses. All right, so I know it's been a long time since I've done one of these videos, but I actually was not getting paid for the 3 months that I was off of work, and I will talk more about that in a different video. Yes, we did keep up with the budget. We had everything that we usually have. We didn't skip a beat, and I'm going to talk more about how we were able to do that as well in a future video. So yeah, it's been kind of hard for me to one, find time to make these videos, and to also I've been tired. I've been really tired. So I'm happy to be back making the budgeting videos. I know you guys love these, and I'm happy to be back at work because I do enjoy my job. And if y'all want me to talk more about going back to work with the baby, let me know in the comments, and I will make a video on that as well. That's all for this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click the link on your screen right now for more Well Balanced Wallet content. See you there.